But I think Bitcoin, new gold, but I think silver, Nigel. That's the other one.
You know, silver is at a very, very crucial point. First, let's tell everyone what we already know, right? If you look at the gold to silver ratio, you know, it had gone to around 95 to 100. Now, that's cooled off to around 80 because now silver has played catch-up.
That is gold divided by silver.
Yes, gold divided by silver. It's currently at around 80. Some argue 60 to 70 is normal. Some argue 50. Now, it depends on what you think about it. But anyway, from 100x, it's come down to around 80x. And we know silver is that, you know, industrial commodity as well as it's a precious metal. And as, you know, we have been talking about, it's used in 5G, in EV, in solar cells as well. That's what we know. But this is the interesting aspect. You know, when I was born, they said that, you know, a few years before that, silver was at around $50. That's many years before I was born, 1980. many years before that. Okay, now check it out. Okay, so in 1980, the Hunt brothers, I think if I remember the names correctly,
Hunt brothers, yes.
William as well as Nelson, they, you know, tried to corner silver, and then you had that big spike up.
Yeah.
But what happened? Once that fizzled out, we had a sharp decline in silver prices. Then came 2011. When again you had a lot of speculative action, people said now, half century, it's in fine form. It's going for the 100. Again, that rally fizzled away. And now come 2025, silver's at that crucial juncture.
$50.
They're at around $50. So, you know, in that context, silver's at a make or break mark. You know, you see in cricketing parlance that the batsman's in good form, has made a half century, time to build on to that. Can it move towards a century? And this is the third time that it's moving towards that $50, you know, per ounce.
Yeah.
So, and in the same duration, just take a look at what gold has done. You know, in 1980, gold was what? Approximately $800, right? In 2011, when silver hit $50, you had gold that danced away to around $1,800. And now gold is at $3,800, but silver, 50, 50, 50.
Getting out every
Can it go ahead and build a big one out here? So that's why I'm saying that $50 mark is very, very important.
I have to tell Nigel this.
Nigel is speaking like Manjrekar here because I don't know if he's a silver bull or not. He said everything.
He's saying silver has gotten run out. Yeah, every time
last
at
word
50.
to you.
Yeah, so now abhi silver ka kya? I'll tell you, when we hit $50 an ounce in both those scenarios in 2008 and in 2011, silver corrected very, very sharply. We went into teens after that. Because both the instances when silver ran up like that, the fundamentals were not so supportive. It was a move market. But this time around, 5 years of deficit, strong industrial demand, diversification, and central banks should be, by the way, are not just buying gold, they're buying silver as well now. So this time around, we'll do $50 an ounce, but we won't go back to teens or 20s, but we can go back to 30s perhaps, and that would be the time to absolutely fill in silver.
Data centers also need silver.
No, sorry, you're saying silver heads back